Good morning, Benzinga Nation. We have another Benzinga Pro market update. Time for a little victory lap and a lesson in earnings. Ryan, this was a win from last week. You know, we called this on Pinterest, up on crazy volume. I think we're up, 31% as of this morning?
30+% as of the time of this recording, yeah.
Yeah, so let's see, how could our users have seen this coming after the Snapchat earnings last week and taken advantage of this huge move?
Let's take a look. All right, so as you can see here, I've got the Pinterest chart over here on the right, and this is just an absolute monster gap, right? Closed at right around 49, printing 64.5 right now. We use the movers tool here to show us what's up in the morning, and then we also have a news feed here. I was actually filtering for Snap just to see how similar this was. At the end of the day, what you've got here is you've got something that's very, very similar to Snapchat in terms of the actual product itself. So when we saw Snapchat have a huge top and bottom line beat, immediately we should realize that that's probably going to be similar to some of the other companies, and Pinterest being the other social media company that's just as similar as Snapchat. So this was a prime candidate to play ahead of the print. In addition to playing it ahead of earnings, you can see here we've also got two upgrades this morning. JP Morgan upgrades to overweight, raises the price target to 75, still $10 of room there. MKM Partners upgraded Pinterest to buy and has a price target of 66, which we're almost at. So there's a lot that's driving Pinterest. It's just, you could have seen this coming from last week, and we called Snap and we said on the video that there are possibly going to be other sympathy plays here. Pinterest reports next week, and here we are. And so what I did here is I actually pulled up a Snap chart and a Pinterest chart. And I mean, just looking at the chart, look how similar these charts are. These are very similar companies, same sector, both obviously being positively affected by people being at home and wanting to post video and pictures on social media. You could have seen this coming a mile away. Just absolutely huge monster beat, and the reality is that there might be some more room to run here, especially with those upgrades on the back of the earnings.
Thanks, Ryan. I mean, that just seems like a great lesson in sympathy plays and what to pay attention to, one possible way to play earnings. So you can always find more opportunities like these at pro.benzinga.com. Until next time, happy trading.